So I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing on this reusable grocery bag with wheels. This is how it comes. This is the large one. Color black. That's how it looks. It's pretty big. I'm looking for a bag so I can, when I'm shipping stuff out, I can put them all in and take it to the post office. So the inside. So here I got a bin full of shirts. I want to see how many of them I can fit in here. Put 28 shirts in here. As you can see, there's still space in here. Put at least 28 more. This is a real big bag. Has extra pockets, the sides, the back, another one on the sides. Let's see how it moves. Good. It'll definitely work when I'm dropping stuff off at the post office. So yeah, I definitely recommend this bag. How big that thing is. Definitely recommend it.